Speaking like a pro, mastering reported speech in English. Hello, and welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on a crucial aspect of English grammar, one that's essential when you're conveying information you've heard from others. Yes, we're stepping into the fascinating world of reported speech. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it might sound, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use it like a pro. Let's start with the basics. Reported speech, also known as indirect speech, is a method of relaying something someone else has said. Rather than quoting the speaker verbatim, known as direct speech, we rephrase or report their words, often changing certain elements like verb tenses and pronouns to fit the context. This becomes incredibly useful when we're sharing information from other sources, recounting past conversations, or telling stories. Consider this example. If your friend John says, "I am going to the gym," and you want to tell someone else about it later, you wouldn't necessarily quote John directly. Instead, you might say, "John said he was going to the gym." Here, "John said he was going to the gym" is reported speech. You might be wondering, why do we need reported speech? Couldn't we just always quote people directly? While direct speech is useful, it's not always practical or even accurate when we're retelling past events or conversations. Using reported speech allows us to adapt the original speaker's words to our current conversation or narrative. This makes our speech or writing clearer, more flexible, and more grammatically correct. So, if you want to sound more fluent and proficient in English, mastering reported speech is key. Now that we know what reported speech is and why it's essential, let's delve into how to use it. Today, we're focusing on reporting affirmative statements. In English, when reporting an affirmative statement, we often use say or tell in the past tense, followed by the reported clause. We usually change verb tenses and pronouns to match the reporting context. For example, if your friend Lisa said, "I am happy," and you want to tell someone else about it later, you wouldn't say, "Lisa said, I am happy." Instead, you might say, "Lisa said she was happy." Here, we've changed am to was and I to she to match the reporting context. And that's it. We've defined reported speech, understood its importance, and learned how to use it when reporting affirmative statements. Remember, like any language skill, mastering reported speech takes practice. So, try using it in your daily English conversations or writing, and you'll soon notice a significant improvement. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll explore other aspects of reported speech, like reporting questions and commands. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.